and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree / fall DIY decor item for you. I am so excited about this one, and I really think this one is going to turn out so good because I have it planned out, and you know when you have stuff planned out, it just works way better for you. So anyways, I'm really excited about this video as well because Christina from the DIY Mommy is hosting a challenge for everybody to do a fall DIY or fall decor item, and I'm so excited to be joining this challenge. I have never done one of these before, so I was like really excited about finding something like this. I've never seen her channel and I don't know why, but like her channel is amazing. So I'm so glad I like ran into it. It was like a video that was recommended for me. I was like super excited. So I've been binge watching her stuff a lot lately. Thank you, Christina, for hosting this challenge, and I am so excited to be a part of it this time around. Also gonna be a playlist in my description box below. So everybody who is going to be joining this challenge, all their videos are gonna be in one playlist. So it is gonna give you like a ton of fall decor or decorating inspiration for you. So I cannot wait to see everybody's videos for this. And like I said, I'm just gonna get started. Alright, so what you're going to need for this project is a frame. I used a big 11 by 14 frame and it worked really well. And then I got these wreath forms. They come in a 2-pack. They're really little from the Dollar Tree. I've never seen them before, but I was so excited to find them. And then these long cotton stems, and then three of these little pumpkins, but just one package. And then I use this contact paper I just recently got from Fancy Fix. So I'm just going to put the contact paper right over the top of the glass. This is such a simple, easy thing to do to make a frame just look so chic and so pretty. And then once the contact paper is laid on there, I'm just going to flip the glass around and just use a box cutter to remove all the extra contact. And then now I'm just going to start making the wreath. I'm just making a cotton stemmed wreath. I think these are so cute and I absolutely love them. I bought one from Kirkland's, I think, and it ended up being like $10 or $11 just for a tiny little cotton wreath. So this was only going to cost me $5 to make, and it probably would have been a little bit less. You probably don't have to use 4 cotton stems. I did, and then I ended up cutting a little bit of the cotton balls off because I thought there was like just way too many. So I just kind of put these inside and then wrapped it around, and then I didn't have any wire, so I just used twine to tie it, which I still thought looked really good. I did put the cotton stems in opposite directions. I thought that gave it a better look. I really liked these because they were really bendable, so you could move the cotton wherever you wanted and like positioned it however you like. And then right here, I was just positioning everything before I cut the twine. And this is when I realized there was like just way too much on here. I just thought it looked way too cluttered. So I did end up cutting quite a bit of it off. I only showed like a couple pieces. And then I did end up adding the pumpkins, and then I took the pumpkins off, and then I did end up cutting some more. And then once that was done, I just took some burlap and I just hot glued it together on the top. And then I ended up having to take the frame back apart so I could slide the burlap through the back just to hold it together. And I think this looked so great. I think it's great for fall, but then also when fall's over, you could definitely just unclip the pumpkins and then just use it as a regular decor piece. So that is what I really liked about this a lot. But that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!